Good evening, guys. Welcome to our Scoop. Nice car turned up over the weekend in part exchange. 2010, a 10 registered, a DS3 1.6 petrol DStyle, clearly in gunmetal grey, guys, with sort of like a ruby red roof and mirrors. Nice young man, part exchanged it. Can't remember what he bought from us, but a really nice family. Done 75,000 miles, guys. Got a good history. 2 keys. Car's rare with navigation, guys. Full navigation in this car. Citroen factory nav. And we put a new clutch in it, so it's had a new clutch, service, MOT, okay, and got a good history as well. So it's going to be great value, guys, but it is a genuine part exchange. Purpose of the video is to go around the car in detail, tell you a little bit more about it and Oakers as we go. So coming around on the front bumper apron. Front bumper apron generally clean. Obviously, guys, 11 years old, 75,000 miles. Expect the odd stone chip here and there. It's not a new car after all. It's not a new car price, okay? But overall presents itself very well. Looks and drives sort of 35, 40,000 miles, not the 75 covered. Front bumper apron clean and tidy. Headlamp bezels, okay. Look, stone chip there, guys. Actually, it's a bit of polish. Okay, headlamp bezels good. Leading edge of the bonnet's on this age-related number. Got a registration document for it on this plate. But I think they're really pretty super minis, these. Bonnet all clean and tidy. Up onto the windscreen of the car, that's free from any major marks. Up onto the roof, it's all lovely. Love the plum red. I think it works really well with this gunmetal grey. And I've been around the car, guys. Looks to be very genuine to me on the paint work. I've been in the industry 33 years, so I can spot cheap paint a mile off. Onto this front wing on the passenger side. That's all clean and tidy. The alloy's generally in good order, but expect the odd mark on the outer edges. After all, the car is 10, 11 years old now, guys, yeah? Tyre at about 4.5 mil. Read the reviews on these guys, they get rave reviews, and like I say, very rare with full factory navigation. And this car's obviously ULez friendly, being petrol, so if you live in the suburbs, you can dodge that ghastly ULez charge if it's coming in your direction. Front wing on the driver's side, all clean and tidy. That alloy, some light marking on the outer edge, but nothing major, and that tyre is good at 4.5, 5 mil. Mirror housings both sides clean and tidy. Onto the driver's door, a couple of little stone chips on it, guys, but nothing major. Factory privacy to the rear quarters clean and tidy. That alloy's in good shape. That tyre looks to be good, 4 or 5 mil. Inside the car's nice, some slight chipping down here, guys, yeah. But relatively clean and tidy in here. I've driven the car, obviously new clutch, so super light clutch now, guys. Very slick on the gearbox, 5-speed. We've got some service history for it there, and like I say, rare with factory nav. A little bit Oakers, we've been trading since 2001. We're based in a little village called East Folly, just outside Maidstone in Kent. Everybody works with his vast motor trade experience, guys. We've got a small workshops and MOT facility on site that we use to prep our used cars. Read our reviews at autotrader.co.uk, guys. We're well regarded. We're nice people to buy used cars from. We've been doing it a long time. We're very fair and straightforward. It's taken over 5-6 years to amass those 300 plus 5-star reviews, and I think that shows our commitment to customer long-term satisfaction. But round to the back of this DS3, got rear park sensing, guys. Just a very pretty super mini. Sub £4,000, guys, so a great value, good looking, sat nav'd, petrol 3-door DS3 here for you. Up onto the roof, it's all clean and tidy. Down onto that rear quarter. Doors, all as it should be, seal plates undamaged, factory privacy. That alloy's in good shape, guys. And that tyre similar to the other one at sort of 5 mil. As I said, we've put a new clutch in the car. We're going to service the car, guys. New MOT, 2 keys, so it'll want for nothing when it leaves us. I've driven the car drives really well. So this is what it is. It's DS3 style, petrol, 5-speed, first registered March 2010. 4 owners in total, guys. 11 years old to be expected, I guess. But no outstanding consumer finance, accident history. There's the last MOT, but as I said, we're going to put a new MOT on it for you guys. Oh, it looks like we've done the service and clutch. So we've got some service history here, guys. Couple of stamps there early on. Then another 4 stamps there and some service bills as well. So nice history car, guys. You know, at its price point, I don't think you can expect much better. As I said, I've driven it, drives really well. Start up. power folding mirrors as well, which is nice. There's the mileage today, guys, 74,900. Whoops. So as I say, it's got all the air conditioning, 5-speed manual gearbox, cruise control there, volume control, all the navs firing up, guys. But yeah, just in nice condition. Love the piano black. Bluetooth as well. Nav's taken a lifetime. Don't know why that is. There we go, guys. So full factory nav, yeah, which is rare. So there we go. Really nice DS3, sub £4,000, freshly serviced, newly MOT'd, brand new clutch, guys. Yeah. So whilst I respect price is important, I think what you buy, and this is a very well prepared, pretty DS3 with factory nav, and where you buy it from, we're a well-established, highly regarded independent specialist. So if you're looking at DS3, must have factory nav in it this weekend. This car's well worth a visit. Thanks for watching.